This video tutorial will focus on exporting session grades to Blackboard after class. The first step is to click on the Pull option from the Launchpad to bring up the show bar window. Click on the drop-down arrow, followed by Tools, then Integrations. A screen will appear asking you to select a learning management system. Select Blackboard in Management System. In the server URL box, enter myasucourses.asu.edu. This URL should automatically populate from here on out. The next window asks you for your login information. Enter in your ASU Right username and password into the proper field. The institution field is not required and will automatically populate. Another screen will prompt you to log in from a web browser within the program. Enter in your ASU Right login information once again and proceed as if you were accessing MyASU. Once you see the Blackboard homepage, make sure to let the page completely load. Click the Next button in the lower right corner of the screen to continue. The next window asks you whether you would like to import a participant list from Blackboard or to export your grades to Blackboard. For the purpose of this tutorial, select the Export Grades radio button and click Next. The next screen will ask you to select the Blackboard course you would like to export your grades to. You'll notice that courses you have taught from previous semesters will show up on this list. Be sure to select the class you're currently interested in from the list and click Continue. The next step is to select a session that you wish to export to Blackboard. Click on the Other Session button and navigate toward your desired session. With the session selected, hit Open. Within seconds, you should see the export preview populate with your class roster and the respective scores for that session. Note that you may receive a pop-up message saying that one or more students are missing a Blackboard ID. This means that one or more students registered in your class have not properly registered their clicker or ResponseWare device in Blackboard. Bypassing this message will still allow you to export grades to Blackboard for properly registered students. Those students who are not properly registered will not receive grades. If you do not receive this message, all of your students have properly registered their devices in Blackboard. In the Export Options section, you will see a few options available to you. Check the Add Grades shown above to the Gradebook box, as well as New Item option if they are not already selected. In the text box next to New Item, enter in a gradebook title of your choice, such as the date of the session. The text box to the right of maximum value should already be populated with the maximum points based upon your session. Optionally, you can choose to email your students their grades individually by checking the Email Individual Reports to Students through Blackboard option. Enter your email address in the respective box, include a comment message if desired. When finished, hit Finish. A new window should pop up notifying you that your grades have been successfully exported to Blackboard. This concludes the tutorial on exporting session grades to Blackboard.